innovation, and much more. Whether joining a conference, roundtable, or seminar, you are sure to be inspired by the incredible knowledge and expertise of our speakers and guests. Get ready, take your seat, Cyber Week. Welcome to Cyber Week 2023. We are proud to have you join us for the 13th consecutive year of Cyber Week.
Welcome. Welcome to Cyber Week 2023. We are so happy to be here again with the Cyber Crisis Management and Readiness Conference for the third executive year. Thanks to the Cyber Week and Cyber Week organizers. We're very excited to have you all here. We have a very exciting program today with all aspects of how do you prepare for a cyber crisis? What does it mean to be ready? What is cyber resilience? What CISOs say about becoming ready for a crisis? And how is it actually to manage a crisis? If you've never managed a cyber crisis, prepare your hearts. We'll have a cardiac walk today when we have a live cyber incident with the top experts actually managing the crisis live here at stage with you. We'll also have very exciting discussions about mistakes or what not to do during a cyber crisis. And a little bit about insights of what does it mean to be properly ready for managing a crisis. So much in our program today, so let's get started. And it's my greatest pleasure. By the way, I'm Nimrod Kozlovski. I'm faculty here at Tel Aviv University, leading the cyber studies for the School of Management, but also a founder of Cytactic, cyber crisis management company, which I think you'll learn a little bit about during the conference today. But it's such a great pleasure to welcome to the stage, actually, the woman who makes Cyber Week happening. She's a legend here in the university. No one can understand how many events she's running and what a community she built around it. It's an honor to invite Gili Drob-Heistein, the Executive Director of Blavatnik, ICRC, and Yuval Workshop for Science, Technology, and Security, to welcome you for this conference. Thank you, Gili.
Thank you. Hi. Good afternoon. It's so wonderful to see you all here with us today. For everyone who came from abroad, I would like to say welcome, and we're happy to have you. For those of you who don't know me, let me introduce myself. My name is Gili Drob-Heistein, and I'm the Executive Director of the Blavatnik Interdisciplinary Cyber Research Center at Tel Aviv University, and Yuval Workshop for Science, Technology, and Security. It's a long name, I know. And we are the hosts and creators of Cyber Week. Cyber Week, as you may know, has become one of the leading cyber conferences in the world. It reflects the unique ecosystem that we have here in Israel. And we are bringing together, of course, industry, government, academia, entrepreneurs, and the military. And we have continued this contribution by attracting cyber leaders from all over the world for Cyber Week, for a week of a dialogue, networking, discussions, and meetings. The conference today is dealing with the complexity of a crisis management during cyber attacks. Addressing a cyber crisis, it is a multidisciplinary challenge. It requires addressing various fronts at the same time. Cybersecurity, legal, public relations, insurance, HR, and others. Because of that, cyber crisis management is such a complex issue and one of the important topics these days. My dearest friend, Manny Barzilai, is leading the event together with Nimrod Kozlovski. And thank you for your partnership and friendship, Nimrod and Manny. You are the best. And now, I would like to hand back to you, Nimrod. Have a great event and a wonderful Cyber Week. Thank you. Thank you all.